not gonna talk if he sees you pointing it at him like that. That's why I was gonna do it. Well, now it's over. Now he's seen it.
Oh, wow. Eli. Eli. Eli.
Can you talk to your daddy?
Tell me what you want for your birthday? In 9 months? Huh?
He sees the camera.
What is it? Eli. Eli. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Hamburger. Can you say hamburger? Can you say barbecue? Can you say daddy? That's close. Can you say mommy? Oh yeah?
Can you say grandma?
Can you say
Can you
Grammy?
say hi, Mimi? Hi, Mimi. Not like the camera. He looks at it.
Whoa.
What is that thing?
Hi. Oh, it's so interesting.
Eli is almost 13 weeks here. Whoa, stretch it out. He's a big horse.
What?
14.5 pounds.
What? Wow.
Chubby head, huh?
What?
Here, how do I stop this?
Oh.
I'm gonna leave it short enough so we can send it to him.